Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a destination wax haul, and as always, her stuff, like that is the box that this came in. It came in a padded flat rate envelope, but it was packed in here for extra security, and she always has that stamp, which I think is super cute. And her stuff is just always like really well themed, so we're gonna open up stuff together. Just thought I would. Sometimes I forget to show the packaging that I received a package in. Wait, that didn't make any sense. Sometimes I forget to show how like pretty a packaging is, or how the packaging arrived to me, and like if it's super pretty, I just like sometimes I just kind of like gloss over it. So I wanted to show just so you guys know, like when you get your packages, I like getting a pretty package. I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't matter to me, but sometimes it's nice to get something pretty in the mail. Okay, so who influenced this purchase? I have been watching Leanne, Southern Comfort. If you do not watch her, her name is spelled a little bit different. It's Southren Comfort. I just call her Southern Comfort. Her name is Leanne. I think she was telling me the other day that she has tried a ton of destination wax scents. So when you watch her videos, you are getting like someone who has smelled quite a few destination wax type scents. She did I can't remember what it was. It was some sort of video, and I'm sorry I'm blanking right now on what it was. But if you go back and look through her channel, you'll see destination wax quite a few times. And she talks about it in her monthly like melt downs or melt reviews. So yeah, she has quite an extensive knowledge on destination wax. I was watching her video. It was right before the pre-order happened, and I was like writing things down as she was saying them. There's also another scent that was inspired by somebody else, but I'll get to that in just a second. But so this is how the package arrives. It arrives in this brown packaging, and you can see kind of the Asian themed washi tape, I guess that is. So let's go ahead and open. Oh dang, I didn't even see this. Oh crap, okay. So this is packaged up nicely in her brown little bag, and it just says, "Thank you, Kimberly. I hope you'll enjoy." Oh no, I hope you'll love everything, Rebecca, which I think is a nice little touch. So okay, let me back up a little bit. So I had ordered from Destination Wax a few times, probably maybe 2 years ago, and I probably had more of like a kind of a random throw. Like I wasn't getting, it was kind of like a medium, sometimes light throw. So I had heard that her wax formula had changed, so I had wanted to give her another try. So that's why I am here. I ordered from her pre-order. I forgot I did do a ready to ship order from her a couple of weeks ago, I think. So I just kind of went off of like what I thought I would like, and also, oh, I got a test blend. How fun. Okay, so I guess sometimes she throws these like test blends in here. That is cool. Okay, so the first sample I got is zucchini bread banana, and she sends these little bundt cakes. And her zucchini bread is pretty good. So I got some sort of zucchini bread pie crust from her. This one would be really good mixed with this banana one. This is really good. Zucchini bread banana. I mean, it smells just like you would think. Not overly banana, just like a nice light banana scent. The next one I got is Juniper Walk, and this is evergreen, juniper, and fresh sweet mountain air. Now, when I ordered 2 years ago, she was not putting scent descriptions on her label, so that is a nice little touch. Woo, okay, that one is definitely like, that is definitely fresh. It's almost kind of got like a pine scent to me. I guess evergreen could be considered kind of piney. I don't know, this one I'm gonna have to get warmed up, because that one is one that I can see going south on me real quick. I might like it on cold, but I can see it like taking a turn for the worst. So this next one is Blue Agave Sugar, and this is the test blend, which I'm super excited about. So Blue Agave Sugar. I love blue agave or is it agave and sea salt? So let's see what this smells like. Oh, that one's pretty. Blue Agave Sugar. So yeah, it's definitely fruity. I think I like the addition of sea salt with agave, but this one's fine. I will try that one for sure. I love like that I got a test blend. That's pretty sweet. I think she likes for you, if you have a test blend, to try it and then go report back in the group, which I think is really cool that she lets her customers like kind of do that. So let's open this bad boy up, and of course I'm gonna rip this all to hell. So one of these came in like a bag here, so that's super cute with her. I think this is like muslin. I used to be a scrapbooker, so I should know, but I brought my scissors with me this time, so I can just cut right on in there. Okay, sorry about the crinkling. I'm just gonna dump and we're gonna get rid of that. Okay. So the first thing I got is, oh wait a second, did I order these? Or what is this here? Hold on. Yeah, okay. Let's start with this one because I think this is one Leanne might have talked about that kind of like, there was a few that Leanne talked about that I added to my list as she was talking about them. So rose water lemonade. So this is a fanciful blend of rose water and sweet lemonade. I love lemonade scents, so I haven't had too many rose water blends. I always dump my scent shot cup out like this. I think Angie, if you're watching this, I feel like you always do this and I saw it from you. Just throwing it out there. Okay, this is way different than I expected. It's very light on lemonade to me, on cold anyways. It's good. I smell more like, I guess, what rose water would smell like. It's not floral, it's just kind of sweet. But it's really light on the lemonade. So, I wonder if lemonade will come out more like on warm or what the situation is with that one. Okay, this one, is a reorder. This is Ghostess. This is Parma Violets and Lightly Toasted Marshmallow. I loved this blend the last time I ordered, and this was 2 years ago. I got a good performance from this one, so I was like, yes. Oh, that smells so good. It's kind of similar to VCS Violet, but to me, this one has more of like a sweeter note to it. Just like a little bit more because of that marshmallow. The other blend is violets and Nilla wafers or something, so it kind of tones down that violet, but this one is much sweeter. Oh, I love that. I could probably order this in a larger quantity, but I'm not going to. If I get a scent shot, then okay, but. Okay, Capri Seaside Citrus, and this is super fresh blend of bergamot, nectarine, orange flower, grapefruit, and driftwood, similar to Bath & Body Works. Now, I don't shop at Bath & Body Works, believe it or not. I haven't been in a Bath & Body Works for like 2 years, and I think the last time I went was for Halloween stuff. And they like stopped carrying all of their cutesy Halloween stuff. I don't know like if that's changed, but I pretty much stopped looking there for Halloween stuff because I would try to pick like a few things up every year, but oh, that's pretty. Okay. Huh. Let's see. I was thinking it smelled kind of like orange. I'm sure it's much more complex than that on warm, but right now I'm kind of smelling like a tangy orange scent. So I don't know if you, anybody familiar with Bath & Body Works, I can kind of give their thoughts on that one. Love to know. And then I grabbed mint shortbread. This sounded so good to me. I love shortbread cookie scent. Buttery minty shortbread cookies. I love mint. Oh, that's good. Okay, that's real good. It kind of reminds me of like a Thin Mint a little bit without the chocolate. Oh, that's pretty. Okay. So the next one I have is a lavender sugar cookie, and this is lavender and sugar cookie. For less cookie, see lavender cookie. So I grabbed this one because obviously it says right there, for less cookie, see lavender cookie. I wanted more sugar in my lavender, so this is the one I went with. I'm glad she makes that distinction because I wouldn't have known otherwise, but I wanted like a stronger cookie because for me lately the lavender seems to be kind of taking over. Okay, why can't I get this out? Come on, baby. There we go. So this one is still pretty strong on lavender right now. I would actually like to add more sugar cookie to this. It's still pretty heavy on that lavender. So yeah, I don't know. I guess the lavender cookie is probably going to be even stronger on lavender, which would be surprising to me because that one smells pretty light on like the cookie. This next one was Ramona's Fault. This is Ramona Talk on YouTube. You guys probably watch her, or if you don't, go check her out. This is Moon Spice Cookie. I heard her talking about this in one of her videos, and I was like, holy crap, that's going on my list. So this is sugar cookies, coffee, and Celtic. I don't know if it's Celtic or Celtic. I always feel like it's Celtic Moon Spice. I don't know. Okay, I probably need to warm this one. I like it. I feel like I've had it before though, somewhere. But I feel like people love it so much that I need to warm it to really get the full effect. And then I'll probably like it. It's pretty good though. I gotta say, it's really good. I feel like it's kind of like one of those spicy coffees that you kind of get from other vendors. You know, you can get spicy coffee from a lot of different vendors, but I feel like that one might have a little something different to it, but I can't make a distinction. This is another one that is heavily talked about by a lot of people. Pistachio and rose water cake. I'm pretty sure I heard Leanne mention this one, and I'm sure Ramona too at some point. So this is cake with buttercream and scented with rose water and pistachio. An elegant non-bakery scent. Oh, okay. So I guess I thought maybe the cake there would be some sort of bakery element, but I guess not. So let's see. Okay, this one's pretty. I like this one. This one's very unique. Oh, an elegant non-bakery scent, but it says cake with buttercream and scented with rose water and pistachio. It is like there isn't really any bakery in there. Like the cake is very light. It's pretty though. This is one I'm gonna have to get on a warmer as well. I mean, that's just the thing with most wax is you have to warm it before you know if you're really gonna like it. There are very few scents. Well, you know, I would say like I have a few scents that I've put on the warmer and they smell pretty similar to what they do in the clamshell or scent shot cup. So this is lemon, raspberry, vanilla. This is a lightly tart lemon with a hint of sweet raspberry and vanilla. Oh, okay, so this one says a lightly tart lemon. This one's pretty though. This is more dominant to me on lemon. Like I'm really smelling that lemon pretty strongly, which I love because I love like Meyer lemon and whatnot, but I'm sure it's probably toned down by that vanilla a little bit. So check that one out. And then, oh, I was dying for sea salt and yuzu. There used to be a scent from Scentsy called Yuzu Dragon, and I loved that one, so I thought I'd try this one. This is yuzu, satsuma, apricot, lotus flower, aloe, and sea salt. So let's try this one out. I feel like I've had this one before, actually, now that I think about it. Oh, yeah. Oh, holy crap. I can smell this one. Oh, yeah, this one. So, okay, my nose was like, or my brain was not thinking when I ordered this one. I was thinking this was going to be strong on the yuzu part. And it's more of that flower type note, like the aloe thing. And kind of that sea salt. I do smell a little bit of like that citrusy type note, but this is leaning more towards like that. Kind of like it reminds me of, what is it, like cucumbers? The way like cucumbers would smell, or not this scent particularly, but I mean kind of like in the same vein of cucumber and what's the other one I'm thinking of? I don't know, I can't think of it right now. But it's definitely got like that, what's the word I'm thinking of? I don't know. If you guys have ever had this, comment below so I can help try to explain what I'm trying to say here to help people understand. Okay. Black currant and fig. This is black currant, sweet figs, rich port wine, spicy black peppercorn, and a bright kick of citrus. This one was really strong. I did smell this one because this one was actually in the box, like apart from this brown paper. Ooh, that one is real strong. This one almost reminds me of like a Christmas or like fall type scent, like that kind of potpourri type scent. So, although this one is pretty rich, I'll have to get it warmed to see if I like it or not. But I'm not sure why. I like fig scents. That's probably why I purchased that. So I'm like, what was I thinking with that one? But this one is another popular one that I kept wanting to try. Thai sticky rice. This is pan-toasted basmati rice baked in coconut milk and brown sugar. I could not wait to get my hands on this one. I had heard so many people talk about this one. Oh, and this one is sweet. You can really smell that brown sugar, which I love brown sugar. Oh, that one's really good. I like that one. I hope it's as good on warm as it is on cold. And I wouldn't know how to describe, like you can almost smell like a pan cooked rice, but it's like a very neutral scent. Oh, that is gorgeous. Okay, so I do really like this one. That one I think is gonna be a favorite. And then the last one I got is black plus black. Black vanilla and black pepper. Or you could just say black and black. I love black pepper, or I like trying to like dabble in it. Okay, what is that? What is that? Black pepper and black, I don't know how black vanilla is supposed to smell. I don't know. This is kind of leaning a little bit, I don't know. This smells like a perfume my grandma used to wear. And it wasn't pretty. I don't know, I might like this more on warm, but I wonder if it has like any patchouli in it. Black vanilla. If anybody knows, let me know, because I'm curious to know if there's like a patchouli scent in there. I can't do like patchouli or like those strong, I don't know. I swear my grandma used to wear something similar to this, or maybe it was her like old lady cream or something. I'm not sure, but this one is definitely going to be one that I'm going to have to like mess around with. All right, so that is it. That is my pre-order. I didn't really know what to order. I just kind of went off of what other people had ordered themselves, and so I just had to kind of go off that because I wasn't really familiar with some of her blends. So she's also on the back here. I don't want to like show my address or anything, but she's got a little thing back here that's got wax cure time, removing wax from wax warmers. She talks about her soap, melting wickless wax melts, order issues, and so on and so forth. So that's really nice. Okay, that is it, you guys. That is my Destination Wax pre-order. Check out her Facebook group because she is changing the way that she is going to be doing, I guess, custom ordering and then ready to ship ordering. So it's important that you read that information because it's a little confusing. I have to reread it again to kind of get like the full scope of it. But I think they're gonna try to like tweak it a little bit if it doesn't work out, or it's gonna be like a process. So I think they're gonna try it for like a couple months and see how it goes or whatever. They might tweak it at some point. All right, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you, Leanne, and also Ramona Tolk for doing Destination Wax hauls, because I feel like, especially like with Leanne doing, I think she did a more like concentrated review on Destination Wax at some point, and I got a lot of my scent ideas from her. And then Ramona, I need to go back and watch her video to see like what she liked, but she also influenced some of my purchases as well. So especially the moon spice cookie, I heard her talk about it and she just loved it. So I was like, well, I'll try it. It can't be too bad. And it's really not. I like it. So yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye guys.